This is the second video for the 5-1D lesson. We're going to repeat the process again. Um, and again, feel free to slow the video down. These problems are a bit heavy as far as like the number of steps, but we're not doing as many. We're going to start by finding the slope between these points. We can pick either point. It does suggest that we're going to use the point 2, 6 for this one. Not a bad choice since it has all positive parts to the ordered pair. And here we go. So we've got the points 2, 6, and negative 1, 3. And we'll label our points x1, y1, x2, y2. We had talked previously about how you might be able to make some adjustments with that, but if you don't remember, then maybe just best to stick with that. Writing out the formula so that you can just focus on plugging everything in, making sure that y's are in the numerator, that you got your built-in minus sign, and then maybe color coding that this point is vertically aligned with the 3 on top, and this point is vertically aligned with the 6 on top, meaning that the colors need to be above one another. Next step, we're going to do our sign change, like so. And then we're going to number crunch. Feel free to use a calculator. 3 plus negative 6 is negative 3. And negative 1 plus negative 2 is negative 3. And 3 over 3 is 1. And a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So next step is we're going to pick the point that they suggested, or in a little bit when we pick a point, we'll choose one of them. Doesn't matter which one. And we'll label it, but this time we'll get rid of the 1s and 2s, and we'll plug everything in here. Remember, 6 goes in front, 1 goes there, 2 goes here with a times dot or parentheses, and we have 6 equals 1 times 2 is 2. And to move the 2 to the other side, we will subtract it. And we have b is 4. And then we're going to take m and b, and together we're going to get an answer that is y equals 1x plus 4. Okay, so we're going to go over and enter in our answer. And hopefully this concept might be difficult, but hopefully you see how we're following the same steps. And we're going to do this with a couple more problems. So maybe after you see it another time or two, I would encourage you to maybe try one or pause the video and try a few steps and then resume the video.